Dancehall can't start forever and ever. Dancehall can't start. Dancehall can't start forever.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. In this update, we have Vybz Kartel attack a bag of things from dancehall and the fans. Plus, we also have Jayblem at this up back Skeng again. There's a leak voice note with Skeng and Skeng attack a bag of things. Viewers and subscribers, make we get into it. And remember, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy. Big up on yourself. Click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day. Leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe. So as you can see, viewers and subscribers, we'll kick this review off with the one and only Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, the entertainer made a post to his IG page in which he talk some things about dancehall and how a be a hypocrisy a go on in a dancehall. You see me? And the fans them a play a major part in it. So after me read what Vybz Kartel say, please leave an honest opinion in the comment section. Do you agree or disagree with it? You see me? Yeah man.
Love me everything. Jungle is Billy Bounce, yeah. Every bad man and every top.
Vybz Kartel. Hashtag dancehall and everything. So I'm gonna talk my mind whether you like it, hate it or ignore it. A big artist in Jamaica has at least 500,000 Insta followers and at least 500k YouTube followers. But when he or she release an album, it's 1,500 to 3,000 copies of the first week sales. That simply means the so-called fans aren't supporting the music, but the same people will spend their money to buy foreign songs, then complain that dancehall is being outsold by reggaeton and Afrobeats. It's hypocrisy, brother. Hashtag dancehall can't stop. So do you agree with Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers? And to be honest, me would agree. Not because of Vybz Kartel say it, but what him say actually makes sense. Because most people that call themselves fans of artists out here, of Jamaican artists, they are not really fans. Because when the artists them would have drop an album, them same one would have take themselves as fans and go buy overseas album instead of buying the artist album from out here in Jamaica. You see me? So basically, you say you support the artist or their yard, but you not really support him. You may listen to his music, but you not really support him like how you go support an overseas artist like The Weeknd, Chris Brown and so on and so forth. You see me? So what Vybz Kartel actually say do make sense. You see me? And then later now, we see him have a complaint and say, yo, nothing now going for Vybz Kartel. And we see him have a complaint and say, yo, Jano, Massacre album only get couple sales and rare, but I see him not buying the Massacre's album and supporting Massacre. You see me? But you see him take your money and buy an overseas album, which is the Weeknd album or a Chris Brown album. You see me? So, what Vybz Kartel actually say, like I said, it made sense. It makes sense. You see me? But do you agree with it, viewers and subscribers? Me know some of me disagree, some of me agree. So leave it down in the comment section and make me know what you think about it. You see me? So viewers, Jayblem them have a voice note with Skeng. Yeah man, a voice note emerged with Skeng when Skeng say, yo, Jayblem them not easy for war. You see me? Him have to know what him do before him try for war Jayblem. Viewers and subs, yeah man, me know how it sound. It sound a weird and worse it a come from Skeng. But viewers and subscribers, let me first say it's alleged. Me don't know if a 100% Skeng, but it have Skeng voice. Me gonna make you hear the voice note. But like I said, if this is Skeng, Jano, it look bad right there so. Worse to know say yo, as Skeng are basically the bad man right now in a dancehall. So a voice note like that we go leak with Skeng now. Nah go look good. No joke.
No, man, for no one, I do if I want to Really, I can go sing any song. I'm fool.
So that a piece of the voice note with Skeng, and as you can hear Skeng voice, viewers and subscribers. So I wonder how Skeng would make a voice note like that leak if it's actually Skeng. Viewers and subs, the man them a try to water down Skeng badness. Them a try to show everybody say, yo, Skeng them are not bad man. So all this time when Skeng a use him rough voice and I sing the most bad man tune in a dancehall, Skeng is no bad man. You see me? Yeah man, them a try to water down the youth badness.
Skeng man. You see me good at them. Between me and the still, believe no easy for war.
So here, when the person say something about Buddha them, and then the person say, between me and you still, blame them not easy for war. Viewers and subs, yo, a Skeng voice that. But me find it hard to believe say, yo, Skeng would have make something like that leak, or would have say something like that. Because bro, on a pre-Skeng character, pre the man image, would you believe say Skeng would have said something like that? Viewers and subs make me not think. Because, like I said, Jayblem them a try for water down Skeng badness. And me know say Skeng a bad artist in our viewers and subscribers because a man like Skeng did a look for run up on Massacre. I know say Massacre them a legend in the game, and Massacre have one of the artists them will have the most hardcore lyrics. But Massacre is a youth where it's like him a focus on a different picture. I'm not focused on no clash right now. You see me? And if you see a youth like Skeng will just enter the business and run up on Massacre ready for bust Massacre head, me cannot say this a youth a fear Jayblem. No joke. Don't take it wrong, you know. Jayblem a bad artist. The youth him tough. I said this already. But I find it hard to believe say yo, Skeng would actually make a voice note like this leak, and him would have say yo, Jayblem them not easy if it clash. Viewers and subs, leave it down in the comment section. You see me, cause I can't me alone I think that. You see me? And let me know if you would have feel like if you would have like to see a Skeng versus Squash or Skeng versus Jayblem. Because when we see right now, the whole 6 them a bust after Skeng head. Them a shoot after the man head. Them a try jar him out. Them a try for water down in badness. You see me? And like me say, yo, you hard to believe, bro. I swear. But Skeng, all I can say is just hurry up and respond, bro. Hurry up and kick off the clash between you and Squash, or you and Jayblem, or you and the entire 6. Kick off the clash, bro. Make the man them know say, yo, you not take bait up, bro. Make the man them know say, bro, you're a bad man in a real. Viewers and subs, a lyrical more if you see this a clash. You see me? Yeah man, lyrical. But please do let me know when you think about any of the topic that I touch upon. But mostly the Vybz Kartel topic, because more if you know anything. Do you agree with Vybz Kartel or disagree? Leave it in the comment section. And also leave a like on the video, subscribe to 4K Energy. Big up on yourself and catch you in another one.